Hey guys, welcome back to Kumasao Reviews. We've got the Iron Factory EX-26R Retrograde. So there are no individual names on the box or the instructions for these guys, but they're blatantly an homage to the Transformers. I don't know if they'd be considered G1, G2. I believe the toys were jump starters, but Runabout and Run Amok. So I have the BotCon repaints or the TF Club exclusive versions and stuff like that. A couple of my favorite toys. Wish I could find them to actually do comparisons with those. But taking a look at the height, I believe these are the standard. Yeah, about 3.5 inches tall. So we'll get a bunch of comparison pics to other Iron Factory toys on the gallery on kumasao.com, but right now I just want to focus on the toys themselves. So it comes with, of course, and I'll get this out of the way, I'm noticing the white on white kinda, it blends in. It's a very bright white toy. In fact, outside of Jetfire, I can't really think of a lot of characters that Iron Factory has done that are majority white. In fact, this is the most because Jetfire or Cygnus had all the red and blue accents and stuff like that, but that's besides the point. It's just a very white toy. And there's nothing wrong with that. But they each come with a blaster, candy colored red for him, that's a gorgeous paint job, as well as a black one for him. So I guess I could just go ahead and put him on the turnstile. Make sure we're centered. These are repaints of Iron Factory's, I believe he's Bolt Runner, their Sunstreaker. So pretty cool stuff. Right, now that you got a look at them, we'll use this one to show off the articulation. So the neck's pretty sunken, but he still gets a little bit of up, a little bit of downward movement. Of course, the swivel on the head as well. I believe it can technically do a 360, but because of the shape of the helmet, I'm not pushing it. There's a lot of kind of wobbling that you have to do. Alright, roundabout. The shoulders can move up and down as well. No butterflying. Now in terms of parallel, the head blocks it. So that's about the farthest you can get. 360 at the bicep. It does have wrist swivel. 360 at the waist. No like ab crunch or anything like that. Outwards. Get the hand out of the way. Forwards. Backwards. Alright. Knees. Get the top one first. It is double jointed, so I'm trying to do this right. Okay, there we go. And then ankle tilt. It's not really at the ankle, it's the front of the foot, and then the back of the foot goes like in and out. And yeah, I mean, not too crazy much to it, but we'll also get this over some. Yeah, there are the two of them. Alright, and I'm actually going to challenge myself. It might look stupid in the process, but I'm going to try transforming this, see if I remember it off the top of my head, because I did a lot of play with the Blaze Dash and Bolt Runner toys. We'll see how far I can get before I just have to get the instructions, and of course, I don't exactly. connect those together. Alright, we're making moves. Because I remember it being really simple. But of course, we shall see. Turn this around to get the door, right? Alright, so there are pegs as well you gotta work with. Does this go back or forward? What the heck is going on? Alright. Put that in. Boom. Put that around. Of course, I pop it right off the table, but this flips around and it's got a peg inside the shoulder. So I'll bring the arms out. Believe that's it. Not bad for off the top of my head. Okay, now we've got them both in alt mode. Really quick, simple transformation. I will say though, when I transformed Blaze Dash and Bolt Runner, I don't really remember that offset part. I had to actually look at the back of the box to make sure that was there. But for the most part, pretty clean looking alt modes. I dig them. I just love the coloring on this guy too. He's going to be displayed in alt mode for sure. So yeah. And when it comes down to it, you can get, for the most part, 4 wheels rolling without any kind of hassle or anything like that. This one seems like it's not having the most fun, but what do you expect? The cars, they roll. You know, there's not much to expect. So these ones don't have any kind of weapon storage on them. That's another thing that I didn't exactly remember from their Sunstreaker, but overall, really cool. Really good looking pieces. Okay, and finishing this review up again, Iron Factory IF EX-26R, Racing Brothers Retrograde, Homage 2, Runabout, Run Amok. Awesome stuff. I think it's a really good use of the Bolt Runner mode. And if it's Blaze Dash, I apologize. I just know it's the 2-pack of Blaze Dash, Bolt Runner. But you can see, whatever the correct name is, he's right here in the middle. So it's cool to have all of these to display together as well. In fact, I actually like them all in alt mode, so that might be how I display it. But you'll get to see both modes in poses with comparison to other Iron Factory products and this and that in the article on kumastyle.com, so stay tuned for that. As always, thank you guys very much for your support. Leave a message in the comments letting me know what you think, and see you next review.